Hi everyone, my name is Victoria Paikin from EasyRecipesWithTwist.com, and today I'm here with my friends at RecipeLion.com who asked me to produce a video on those beautiful chicken fingers. So, if you like them, stay tuned. For this recipe you will need 2 boneless skinless chicken breasts, salt, pepper, egg, a couple of tablespoons of flour, breadcrumbs, milk and sesame seeds, and vegetable oil. And for dipping sauce you will need ketchup, mustard and mayo, and a little bit soy sauce for extra flavor. Let's prepare our chicken. I'm taking my chicken breast and taking this out, the inner side. It's taken out very easily. Now find the thickest side and cut it through. This way. Now I'm open the chicken breast for 2 parts and cutting it lengthwise. About inch thick, a little bit less than inch thick. Making the same to the other chicken breast. Take your egg and mix with about 2 tablespoons of milk. I'm mixing it well. Now take your breadcrumbs, add the sesame seeds inside, salt and pepper, I need to open it before, and mix them well with your hands or however you like. Now take them and cover one of the plates with half of them. Okay. Now take your flour and cover the other plate. And you have to have tray that line up with parchment paper or greaseproof paper ready for use. So let's start. Take your chicken finger, cover in the flour, then to egg and milk mixture, and then to breadcrumbs. Just place it there. And now make it with all of the rest. Now take a teaspoon and cover the chicken breast with the breadcrumbs and sesame seeds. Make them stick very well and place on the tray. Really nice. Place them apart, they won't stick. Make the same procedure to the next chicken breast. I'm making them 2 of them in one time, but you can make 1 if you're 1 person or more. Just add more ingredients. It's quite easy. Now drizzle about a tablespoon or 2 of vegetable oil on top. And by the way, I'm using homemade whole grain wheat grams. So I made it at home. So it's really healthy recipe. And you don't have to use sesame seeds if you don't want, but it really adds a little bit of dimension to the flavors. So pop it to the oven. I preheated the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's take them out. They are beautifully done, really nice and crispy. Let's try our creation. I'm taking one beautiful one, taking lemon wedge, nice, dipping it to the sauce. It's hot, but it's so tasty. Yum! It's nice. Love them. They're absolutely white and beautiful inside. Kids love those. Like my kid, absolutely insane. He loves those. So just enjoy. So if you like them, don't forget to subscribe, write me a comment, thumbs up me, and cheers, Victoria.